So what you can't smell here is what I can smell here is the antifreeze. Last few days you can see it's been squirting up, and then this morning I was out at the school and I noticed a leak after driving for a bit. There was a lot of antifreeze just dripping down there, so there's clearly a water pump leak or possibly a hose. You're not able to see, it's kind of dirty up in here, but any obvious leaks here on this side. And might be just this hose here. This hose looks pretty bad. I probably could do just changing that, but what a cake. Couldn't quite find the leak running it around normally, so I put it at an incline. We clearly got something here, so exactly it's coming from here. Probably that, but let's stop the engine. Alright, so this is from the bottom. I mean, obviously the belt's carried a lot of that up there, but it looks like it is coming from our pump. Somewhere in there, seal in the pump is just leaky. So I've ordered a new pump. It's coming out and then it's getting on the belt and spreading all over it, splashing under our suspension here. It's gone all over here, but must be here. Clutch, fan clutch, water pump. See it dripping down this radiator hose. I know it's old and needs to be replaced anyway, but the source of the leak is definitely from somewhere around the water pump, I'm guessing. There's splashes everywhere with the belt moving around. I notice it, and I've got an incline so I can see if I can get that leak. But in fact, it might be that. Clearly one of our big leaks is from that radiator hose there, the lower radiator hose. I can't be sure that it's the pump leaking itself or going bad, but clearly we've got a catastrophic leak here that we gotta sort out. So I mean, should I just replace the hose? I don't know.